way out of the way.
Yeah, I don't like these.
Debris. Everybody move.
Nice. Wow, same thing happened. Very
Go.
high-res picks. Run. Whoa!
God.
Oh!
You need the lights out.
Oh, crap. Okay.
No,
I'm recording.
it's not spinning.
It's gonna spin.
I don't think so.
Turn off the first one, John? Yeah. No, it's not. Oh yeah, it's spinning.
Cool. I love that.
Usually it's not spinning really well.
Stuck on something.
Yeah, I think it's stuck.
Now it's like going from two angles, so it's not going. Oh, it lit two pieces of the shooting thing. What is that, please?
John, back here.
What's in it?
Okay, listen.
Stuff.
Come on. Whoa!
Oh, Jesus.
Wow, fireman.
Whoa! Oh. Okay, I'd run. Past couple ones have been pretty big. Whoa! It can't really work. See a random car just coming.
Go.
Let's hope it's not a cop
The
car.
driveway's gonna be like full of. It's gonna be like a full.
Everybody ready for school?
No? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm kind of excited. John, did you finish your book?
Okay. Yeah.
And the book report.
Just report. We're all done.
Come on. Work. Whoa!
Oh, Jesus.
Holy. Two.
Gosh, Charles.